How's it going, everyone? This is just a quick tutorial to show you how to change your Wi-Fi on your Onefinity so that it turns it into an access point, meaning you can connect it directly to your computer without having to go through your wireless network. One of the downfalls is you won't be able to use the internet, but for the purposes of connecting to the machine and staying connected, it's a great way to stay on there. So I've got crappy Wi-Fi in my garage and I don't have the ability to extend it. So what I did was, when you go into your network setup, and normally where you have your Wi-Fi set up, you have your network name and your password. If you change it to access point and then pick a channel, I'm just gonna go with 1, and go ahead and call it something different. So we'll call it our Onefinity machine, and give it a quick password, something simple for now. We'll just go with password and hit set. It's gonna reboot the machine. Once it reboots, takes a second or two. All right, there we go. Once it's reloaded, it's going to ask you if you want to home the machine again. For this purpose, I'm just going to say no once it loads. And now, if we come over to our machine, our computer rather, and go to our wireless networks, you should see your new machine right there as an access point. If you click it, click connect, it'll connect shortly. Pardon my dirty screen. There we go, we're connected. See how it says no internet? You won't be able to access the internet because you're connected directly to the machine. So now, if you go open up your web browser and simply type in https onefinity.local. Actually, let's just do http:// onefinity.local, just like that, and click it. It'll take you to your machine page. Now your computer is connected directly to your CNC, gives you the IP address of your machine, not that you'll need it, but now you can go ahead and load your files without worrying about your internet connection dropping out because you're connected directly to it. So this helped me because I got tired of losing signal and transferring stuff to USB back and forth. So feel free to use it if it helps you. If not, you've got good Wi-Fi anyways. Have a good one.